Hey everyone! Welcome to our travel video on Tokyo, Japan's bustling capital city. Today, we are going to explore some of the most exciting attractions and activities that Tokyo has to offer. First on our list is the famous Shibuya Crossing, the busiest intersection in the world. Watch as thousands of people cross the street all at once, a fascinating sight that you can't miss. Next, we move on to the stunning cherry blossom trees at Ueno Park, one of the most popular places in Tokyo to enjoy Hanamai, the annual cherry blossom viewing event. From there, we take a trip to the stunning Meiji Shrine, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Tokyo. The shrine is a perfect representation of traditional Japanese architecture and holds great historical significance. Speaking of Japanese culture, no trip to Tokyo is complete without trying sushi. Head to Tsukiji Fish Market, one of the largest seafood markets in the world, and enjoy some of the freshest sushi you'll ever taste. Tokyo is also home to some of the most cutting-edge technology and innovation. From the robot restaurant to the digital art museum, there is something for everyone when it comes to futuristic activities. Lastly, we cannot forget shopping in Tokyo. Shinjuku and Harajuku are popular shopping districts where you can find the latest fashion trends and unique shops. The tranquil Meiji Shrine stands as a serene oasis amidst the urban chaos, while the historic Asakusa district offers a glimpse into traditional Edo-era architecture and houses the iconic Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest temple. For tech enthusiasts, Akihabara is a paradise, where futuristic electronics and anime culture converge. Meanwhile, the Imperial Palace East Gardens provide a tranquil escape, surrounded by lush greenery and remnants of the Edo Castle. From world-renowned sushi and sashimi to hearty bowls of ramen and delicate wagashi sweets, the city offers a diverse range of flavors to indulge in. Tsukiji Outer Market and Toyosu Fish Market are seafood lovers' havens, while the array of Michelin-starred restaurants caters to those seeking refine. Tokyo's efficient public transportation system, including the iconic Tokyo Metro, makes exploring the city a breeze. The bullet train, or Shinkansen, offers a swift connection to other major cities, making Tokyo an ideal starting point for wider Japan exploration. This is just a glimpse of what Japan has to offer. Whether you're interested in its history, technological innovations, cultural traditions, or picturesque landscapes, Japan is a fascinating country with something for everyone to explore and appreciate. Tourists are drawn to Japan for its mix of ancient and modern attractions. Popular destinations include Tokyo Disneyland, historical sites like Kyoto's temples, and the beautiful hot spring onsen resorts. Japan is known for its vibrant festivals, such as Cherry Blossom Sakura Festivals, Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, and Tanabata, where people write wishes on colorful paper and hang them on bamboo. Japan's history spans millennia, with periods such as the Heian, Kamakura, and Edo shaping its culture. The feudal era, marked by samurai and shoguns, gave way to the Meiji Restoration in the 19th century, modernizing Japan and opening it to the world. Japan, an archipelago in East Asia, is known for its unique blend of ancient traditions and modern advancements. Its rich cultural heritage is influenced by Shintoism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. The country's four main islands are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. Hokkaido is the northernmost of Japan's four main islands and is known for its stunning natural beauty. It's the second largest island in Japan and is characterized by diverse landscapes including mountains, forests, lakes, and coastlines. Hokkaido experiences a colder climate compared to the rest of Japan, with snowy winters and cooler summers. The island's climate is influenced by its northern location and proximity to Siberia. Hokkaido is a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Sapporo, the capital city, is famous for its annual snow festival and vibrant food scene. The city hosted the 1972 Winter Olympics. One of the most famous features of Shikoku is the Shikoku Pilgrimage Shikoku Henro, a traditional pilgrimage route that connects 88 Buddhist temples across the island. Pilgrims and tourists alike can explore these temples while experiencing the scenic beauty of Shikoku. Shikoku is renowned for its udon noodles, a thick and chewy wheat noodle dish. The prefecture of Kagawa, in particular, is known as the Udon Prefecture and offers a wide variety of udon dishes. Japan is known for its vibrant festivals that celebrate seasons, historical events, and cultural traditions. Cherry blossom festivals Hanami in spring and Tanabata festivals in summer are some examples of these celebrations. Japan is a global leader in technology and innovation. The country has contributed significantly to advancements in electronics, robotics, automotive engineering, and more. Japan's pop culture has a significant global influence. Anime, manga comics, and J-pop music have garnered fans worldwide. Japanese fashion, video games, and entertainment are also widely recognized. The traditional clothing of Japan includes the kimono for formal occasions and yukata for more casual settings. These garments showcase intricate designs and patterns, often reflecting the wearer's age, status, or the occasion. While rooted in tradition, Japan's modern lifestyle is characterized by its fast-paced urban centers, efficient public transportation, and modern architecture. The work culture often emphasizes dedication and commitment. Japanese culture is a blend of ancient traditions and modern innovations, making it a captivating and multifaceted society with a rich history that continues to shape its people's way of life.